In this video, we'll learn about how to do affiliate marketing using Kwikcart. Here's what you'll need. 10 minutes of your time. A good affiliate product. And a trial account of Kwikcart. Step 1. Sign up for a Kwikcart trial account. Simply head over to the Kwikcart.io and create a trial account. Step 2. Create a landing page or funnel for your offers using templates. Simply log into Kwikcart and create a landing page using 1000 plus pre-made templates. Step 3. Link your domain. Simply go to the dashboard and navigate to domains and add domains. Step 4. Set up advanced integrations and tracking. Simply go to Kwikcart's Integration tab and choose the tools that you want to integrate. Once you're finished setting up your store, start promoting it and bring traffic using various platforms like Facebook and Instagram. Step 6. Get commission when you get a sale. So what are you waiting for? Start your affiliate marketing journey with Kwikcart today.